Sonion is a leading provider of microacoustic and micromechanical technologies and solutions for manufacturers of hearing instruments, mobile handsets, headsets, earphones, and medical devices. Following a period of strong growth, Sonion, in 2005, decided to further expand its production base. After thorough investigations, Vietnam was chosen as venue based on its large, young, and well-educated population. With the new factory, Sonion strengthened the supply and logistic channels to its customers, provided needed manufacturing capacity, and spread production exposure over 3 global facilities: Poland, China, and now Vietnam. The Vietnam facility is a key enabler of Sonion's continued growth strategy, offering the possibility to provide customers with innovative solutions in high consistent quality while tightly managing operational costs in an increasingly global economy. In November 2006, Sonion's new 11,000 square meters state-of-the-art factory was ready in Ho Chi Minh City High-Tech Park, just 15 kilometers outside of Ho Chi Minh City Center and 18 kilometers from the international airport of Ton Son Yat. The High-Tech Park is one of just 2 national industrial zones specialized in housing only selected technology companies within microelectronics, precision mechanics, pharmaceuticals, and nanotechnology. Sonion was one of the first companies to establish in the High-Tech Park and has later been followed by several global technology companies, including Intel and Jabal Circuit. The factory is able to accommodate as many as 3,500 workers, servicing all of Sonion's 4 product units: sub-miniature transducers, electromechanical components, high-volume transducers, and MEMS silicon microphones. Each day, our employees are coming in on their own motorbikes or by way of company transportation. Employees work in 1, 2, or in some cases 3 shifts in order to accommodate demand from a global customer base. Sonion Vietnam aims to create a successful manufacturing unit by combining the group's long history of manufacturing excellence with the skills and enthusiasm of its Vietnamese workforce. By implementing its corporate culture and values, Sonion has involved all personnel in the quest for delivering the highest quality standards, while at the same time continuously improving manufacturing efficiencies using the principles of lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. Sonion's experienced employees in Europe and China take an active part in training their new Vietnamese colleagues. To ensure a proper transfer of knowledge, key personnel from Vietnam receive training in the specific products and processes at Sonion sites in Poland, China, Denmark, and the Netherlands. Also, Sonion employees from Europe and China travel to Vietnam in order to educate their new colleagues on site. Only when a production line passes Sonion's strict standards for quality and efficiency will the line receive the Sonion Quality Certificate and be released for production. At Sonion, employees should enjoy teamwork. Creating a friendly and attractive working environment in all areas of production, warehousing, offices, and other social areas is therefore an important part of the workplace in Sonion. Social aspects of work are highly valued. During breaks, all employees can therefore enjoy free meals in the canteen, and classes are offered to those who wish to improve their competencies. In the summer 2007, Sonion Vietnam opened its new Class 10,000 clean room. The clean room is used for production of Sonion's new and revolutionary silicon microphones. Based on semiconductor production principles, Sonion's Vietnam facility is able to supply a growing number of leading electronics companies with the world's smallest microphone. With the establishment of a top modern production facility in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, Sonion has taken yet another step at supplying its customers cutting-edge solutions at competitive prices. The successful ramp-up of production and the high overall competence level of the employees in Vietnam hold strong promises for the future of Sonion's Vietnam operations, be that in manufacturing or in various staff functions. The continued growth in demand for Sonion's products are sure to lead to additional need for production capacity, and here, few other places in the world will be able to effectively compete with Sonion's Vietnamese experiences.